Welcome to my channel. Kyocera ECOSYS MA2000w driver not installing? Step 1. Check your operating system. Make sure the driver you downloaded matches your Windows or Mac OS version. Installing the wrong driver can prevent the setup from completing. Step 2. Download the latest driver. Remove any old driver files and download the newest driver version for your Kyocera ECOSYS MA2000w. Updated drivers often fix installation problems. Step 3. Restart your computer. A quick restart clears temporary system issues that may be blocking the driver installation. Try installing the driver again after rebooting. Step 4. Disconnect the printer. Unplug the USB cable or disconnect the printer from Wi-Fi before starting the installation. Connect it only when the installer asks you to. Step 5. Run the installer as administrator. Right-click the driver setup file and choose Run as administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to copy all required files. Step 6. Remove old printer drivers. Open your computer's printer settings and delete any old Kyocera drivers. Older files can conflict with the new driver installation. Step 7. Turn off antivirus temporarily. Some antivirus programs may block printer driver installations. Disable your antivirus for a few minutes, install the driver, and then turn it back on. Step 8. Check your internet connection. If the installer downloads extra files during setup, make sure your internet connection is stable. A poor connection can interrupt the installation. Step 9. Update your computer. Install the latest Windows or Mac OS updates before trying again. System updates often include fixes that improve printer compatibility. Step 10. Restart and test the printer. After the installation finishes, restart your computer, reconnect the printer, and print a test page to confirm that the driver installed successfully. Thanks for watching.